All right, today I want to talk to you guys about tracking your URL clicks and basically what the vendors can do for you. So they have what are known as value track parameters on Google or dynamic trackers on Pinterest. I think Bing calls it something different. They're key value pairs, and basically what they are is when you add this into your ad link attribute, you'll have the URL of your product or the page that you want them to land on, and they'll have these key value pairs. So it'll say like campaign ID equals, and I'll have like a squiggly or an underscore. TikTok actually has underscores, where you can actually put a placeholder so that when someone clicks on it, right, and you have set it in the like the Google ads or Pinterest ads or TikTok ads side of things, when a user clicks on it, the vendor will actually give you back that data. So it'll bring back the campaign ID, and that way you can report on it. So that in your reports, like for instance, if you're using Google Analytics or using Tableau, you can pull campaign ID and it'll show the campaign ID for that product. This is good when you're trying to kind of break down all your different reports that you want for each of the different campaigns that you have. Some of them even allow you to pull in the campaign name. The problem is that it kind of expands when you add it to the URL parameter. For example, if I put in campaign name equals crazy person, right? And crazy person is like the name of the campaign. When that person clicks on that, ad, when it expands in the URL in the browser, it'll say crazy person. So those are scenarios where you do not want to use like the name of your campaign, because then they can see all of how you've structured your campaigns within your ads. So that's my pro tip to you. But do use value track parameters. I will one day create like a comparison matrix so that you can see, hey, these Google, Pinterest, and Bing ad formats, value track parameters, all are the same and they represent, let's say, campaign ID. Just so that it makes it easier for you guys when you're building out, your product feed or your text ads, campaign structure. Like how do you want to create your URL parameters and make it consistent across the board so that it's easier for you to create them when you're creating new ad formats.